Good morning, guys. So today we are going to check out this house in Long Island. It's a single family home, newly renovated, looks pretty nice. I'll show you guys. We'll take a quick tour of it. I'm by the office right now. I'm just gonna run in and get the keys and we'll head out. Looks like I gotta change my oil. So we're on the way to check that house out, but check these houses out right now. Actually, this one right here, and I think there's one up ahead. Some nice ones over here. It's a pretty nice one as well. What the hell do we have here? There are two people on that. There she is. So it's super hot right now, but we're about to head inside. I'll give you guys a tour of the house. It's a one family, and this area is called Lynbrook. So it's Lynbrook, Long Island. It's one family, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, newly renovated. Pretty nice neighborhood. I think you like the house. I like the house at least. So let's go take a look. Here we are. Turn on some lights. So this is it. Right here we have the living room right in front here. This is where you would set up couches, maybe a TV up there, some windows, and a staircase leading upstairs. Over here, this direction, you have your dining room. You can set up your dining room table. And on the right, you have your kitchen. It's a brand new kitchen. Over here, beautiful door, by the way. And it leads you to the sunroom, which is actually a pretty big room. I don't think the camera does it justice, but it's actually a really nice room to just relax. You can eat out here when the weather is nice. And it's pretty much an indoor porch, if that makes sense. But yep, it's a sunroom and it has an AC, so while you're out here or in here, you can stay cool. So back into the living dining room. Take a look at the kitchen. Kitchen is completely new. All new appliances. Samsung. I really like the backsplash as well. So we look over here. This is the door to the basement. Check that out in a bit. Turn on this light. You have your washer and dryer. Where the washer and dryer would go. This right here is a side entrance. It leads to the side of the house. And this right here is another entrance. Some lights. So we have a handicap elevator here in case you have an older person who may be in a wheelchair. Little closet space up here. As we go up here, this leads us to the master bedroom. So it's quite a big bedroom. You have two closets, AC up here. And connected to the master bedroom, of course, is the master bathroom. A stand-up shower. Another one of these really nice doors. So, master bedroom, connected to it, master bathroom. What's nice is that you have two entrances, one here, one right here, so you could pretty much do your own thing. You don't disturb, maybe you have other family upstairs. Take a quick look at the basement since we're right here. This is your basement. It's a finished basement, so you could definitely hang out down here. You can see a nice TV going up here, or against this wall actually. Whichever one you choose, really. The storage room here is connected to the boiler room. This is the other part of the boiler room. So over here is another storage space. A good amount of stuff in here. It's pretty big. Then A little bit more storage under the steps. And that pretty much is the basement. So we'll head up the stairs and we can check out the upstairs of the house. So upstairs has 3 bedrooms. Like I said, the house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom being on the first floor, the master bedroom and master bathroom. This right here is 1 bedroom. The closet inside. You have your 2nd bedroom over here. Also with a double closet. Pretty nice. 3rd bedroom over here. Nice big window with a single closet. Then we have the bathroom. So this bathroom has a tub, nice sink, as well as a stand-up shower. That's pretty much the interior of the house. We'll take a quick walk outside so you get an idea of that. So right here, this is the front entrance where we came through. This is actually another door. This is right by the sunroom, so there's a entrance there as well. So over here we have the driveway and garage. And we'll take a look at the side of the house. So as you come to the side of the house, you'll see the side entrance right here. That was pretty much the door that I showed you from before. And here's the other side of the house. Well, you guys are probably curious about the garage, so let me open that up. Here's the garage, and you have the entrance into the house literally right there. Kind of move back so you can kind of see the garage in reference to the car. So if I had all the stuff cleared out in the garage, I could fit my car in there, and the Macan is pretty wide, so. anyways, that's pretty much it for the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be doing a lot more house tours. We have some 2 families coming up, new construction, and we got a lot of houses coming up. So stay tuned for the house tour. More car stuff coming up as well. Thank you for watching.